just don't get this.
Why are you looking at the camera?
So, what don't you get?
This crazy product and quotient rule.
Well, okay, so this is how you do the product rule. This is the formula right here for the product rule. So first what you're going to have to do is take the derivative of the first function. And since this is squared, you're going to have to multiply the exponent by the constant. So you'd have 6x. And then you would find the derivative of 5x would be negative 5. Then you're going to have to multiply it by the first function, the second function. And then you're going to have to add the derivative of the second function, which would be 4, multiplied by the first function, which is 3x squared plus 5. Oh my. That's the answer.
So that's how you do it. What about the quotient rule?
So what you're going to want to do is first you're going to find the derivative of the first function, which is the top one. And since the exponent is 2, you do 2x. You're going to multiply it by the second function, which is 3x plus 1. Then you're going to subtract the derivative of the second function, which would just be 3 times the first function. And then you're going to divide all of that by the second function squared. And that's the answer. So do you understand the quotient and product rule now?
Well, I really hope I do. But how did you learn that so well? Who taught you?
Oh, it was taught by the best teacher ever, Miss Pereira.
Who's that?
You don't know who Miss Pereira is?
No.
Hold up, I need some backup on this one.
You don't know who Miss Pereira is?
Is that a crime?
I'll tell you who Miss Pereira is. I can't just tell you. Wait.
Calc up in here tonight. Derive it. Derive it. Derive it.
Pereira, Pereira.
I never really knew that she could teach like this. She make a man want to love calculus. Derive it, integrate it, and solve it.
Pereira, Pereira.
Oh, Miss Pereira, when you teach like that, you make me actually understand. You're so wise and always right. You're the reason why Calc is my life. And I miss you growing up, Calc don't lie. You'll always love the class. You keep calm, just to see me when we come visit you and your baby.
Oh girl, when I first came into your class and I saw you with your Starbucks, I knew something was about to go down in this place, but unfortunately it wasn't my grade. But the way you step up to the class and derive those functions, girl, it's magical, I can't explain. I can only think of one word to describe it, and it's just calculations.
Never really knew that she could teach like this. She make a man want to love calculus. Derive it, integrate it, and solve it. Pereira, Pereira.
Oh, Miss Pereira, when you teach like that, you make me never want to leave. And I know you feel the same way about bragging on me.
And you're the best, you know Calc don't lie. It's better than all the rest. It's the best, nothing to fix. So much better than AP statistics.
I know you're on tonight, Calc don't lie, and you're starting to feel the song. But just wait, be patient, and trust me, you ain't seen nothing yet. I've been to hell and back in your class, thanks to chapter 8. I had no idea what I was doing, but you helped me get through. I only cried twice a week from the stress of your class, See, I hate it, but I love it, and I hate it, but I need it. Man, it's just too hard to explain. I never really knew that she could teach like this. She make a man want to love calculus. Derive it, integrate it, and solve it.
Pereira, Pereira.
Oh, Miss Pereira, when you teach like that, you make my heart skip a beat. So tell me the integral of f of x from 1 to 3. Miss Pereira, look what you've done. Set our left to 0 so you can find the maximum. You are the best teacher that we've ever had. You're the best teacher that we've ever had. Yeah, You're a perfect being, a fantasy. We all agree that when I see you, it's just like I just won the Grand Prix. I think back to when I first started school and wonder why I couldn't start it off with you. Why is that student so jealous? Well, that's simple. It's because you like us more and you don't teach your classes. You got the style and so much charm. I go crazy like you did during the fire alarm. And we'll miss you, girl, when I graduate and you head too slow. And I want time to go slow because the time with you has been perfecto. I know it's on tonight, Calc Don't Lie, and there's one thing left to say. So Miss Pereira, why don't you go ahead and give our group an A? Derive it.